Yo, welcome to Trading Bootcamp episode 2, where we're going to be breaking down the difference between futures, Forex, and stocks. All right. So stop guessing and choose the right market. Now, listen, y'all, choosing the right market is not going to fix bad discipline. Okay. But choosing the wrong market is not going to make your trading process easier. You know what I'm saying? It's going to make it harder than it needs to be, if that makes sense. And right before we get right into it, man, again, I'm Ryan. I'm a trader of 5 years, aka Bucket Trades on Instagram, TikTok and stuff. Definitely can find me. I'm just here to help. And let's go ahead and get into Forex trading and what it is. And so, with Forex trading, what it looks like, of course, a 24-hour market. It's a spread-based cost, high probability, and high flexibility type of platform. And what this platform is best for, this market is best for, is for traders with flexible schedules, people who can avoid over trading. And the common mistakes we get with people trading Forex is over trading due to the constant market access. Okay, with that 24 hours, you're able to take more trades, than you can. And Forex is, of course, for the foreign exchange market, which is the foreign pairs, aka apps like Trade Locker you can use, apps like Liquids, apps like MT4, MT5. So yes, as I'm going to my next one, futures trading, which is the one I personally trade a lot. I'm more profitable and seeing more profitability in the futures market. I tried Forex, I've tried options, I've tried stocks. I have seen and been profitable in futures. So I noticed futures fit my personality more. And what that look like is more centralized exchange, fixed contracts, clear trading sessions, and it's best for traders who need structure, traders, prop firm leverage, which I teach my students on every day, how I help my students get withdrawals, daily withdrawals as well. Futures has completely changed the way I'm able to live and, how I'm able to teach other students into trading. And common mistakes is more so just over leveraging. You're just fighting with greed with futures, right? So, and with some prop firms you can use with futures, like things like Trade Locker, Ninja Trader, you can connect those to Trading View as well. And you might see people trading off of Trading View, which is probably the most likely trading futures. In futures, we trade more things like commodities like gold. We might trade US 30, NASDAQ 100, SPX 5, SPX, and more so. And also apps like, or prop firms like Tradeify, top one step futures, and Take Profit Trader. Shout out to them. Definitely great with withdrawals, good funding. But me personally love futures trading. Definitely. And as I go into stock trading is cool. Great way to, leverage your money long term. Like I tell my students, we get our money from futures, withdraw some futures, we put them in a long-term stocks. Stocks is long-term, like people like apps you might hear like Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase, those type of apps, long-term, all right? That's your stock apps, right? So that's more like slower movement. PDT rule, best for swing traders, swing trading, holding long term. So it's best for patient traders, of course, long term or swing traders. So if you're a patient person, stock market will work great for you long term, of course. And common mistake is just underestimating capital requirements. That's it. And of course, like apps like that, Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase, more so the long-term stocks that you might see people use. So those are the most three common markets, different markets in trading wise. And of course, you got options trading. Y'all might know a little bit about that. And but those three markets. And me suggest, of course, I give my preference to futures trading. I make most of my money from there, 100%. And and yeah. If I'm saying, be sure to like, subscribe, comment in the down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. And also free link to my free Telegram Discord as well. And also I'm a mentor. Be sure you can hit me up on IG, Instagram. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, or wherever. Sure to check out my next video. I will be ranking prop firms, which prop firm for futures that I suggest you use as well. But again, TYT to the moon, nigga. And we gonna get to this bag regardless, okay? Let's get